Hello guys, welcome back to the 1% First Club. Here you see another video on Twin Tower strategy because it's the most powerful strategy. So I'm taking buy entries from gold. This is 1 minute chart, zoom level 0, and why I have taken buy entries. Okay, I'm adding some other entries from the USD CHF, sell entries. So I'm adding sell entries. My video bit little speedy because there's a long session, so I have to speed up my video so you can see. On USD Swiss franc, I have taken some entries and I'm looking for other opportunity from Bitcoin, Euro USD, and Great Britain USD. The pair I trading most. So here was the USD. As you see, Twin Tower formed on the third level, so I have taken some buy entries from this level. So this is gold. I have taken buy entries because Twin Tower formed on third level, and here the blue line, that is the blue from second window that crossed the Twin Tower on the level 30. So it's confirmed that price swing must win much upside. So here's the setup for indicators. So 2 minute entry taken, it is $1,000 count. From my previous video you have seen how I made $100 to $1,000, and now I am showing you how to make $2,000 from that $1,000. So this will be a big session. Pay attention, take notes. As you see, it is a Aussie USD, and here Twin Tower formed on level 30, and blue also cross. So I have taken buy from the Aussie USD. Here gold, I have taken buy from gold because here also Twin Tower formed on that level. And here USD JPY, I have taken sell entries. So this is not a good practice to take trades at a time from different pairs, but to show you aggressive mode, here I have taken too many entries from too many pairs, but that is not a good practice. You have to take entries from at a time from one pair, not too many pairs. That's why you shouldn't fall in margin call or you can smoothly manage your trades. So here was USD JPY to interformed, and then blue crossed the orange from 70, and that's why I have taken sell entries from the top peak. Also USD buy entries taken, but price swing coming down. So I'm just holding the trade. You must see the floating loss, but I know price shouldn't going much downside. So when you see price going against you, you can add entries. And the most important thing is managing your risk. As I have practiced a lot on my early learning session, so I'm now an experienced one. So you have to learn first the method and then practice a lot, and then you can go for live training session. So practice on demo account. Here you see Aussie USD coming down, but I have added buy interest more as price coming against our entries. So I have taken some more buy entries for Aussie USD. And here you see USD Swiss franc sell interest taken, but price swing coming upwards. So I'm just adding sell entries from this pair. I'm just adding sell entries for USD Swiss franc because price going against me, but I know price should come in towards the expected level. So you see, after taking sell entries from USD Swiss franc, price going upward, and here some profit, but from Aussie USD here also price coming down. So this is a common thing that price making upswing, downswing, upswing, downswing. Does it form the level? So from USD JPY I have taken profit. So I'm just booking the profit. So some profit booking to make healthy the account. So here from 1,000 it is now $1,300. So USD Japanese yen making some profit. So I'm booking all the profit, and still other pairs showing floating loss. It doesn't matter. So as you see, USD Japanese yen making a downswing after taking sell entries. So I'm just taking all the profit. And here you see USD Swiss franc coming down after we've taken the sell entries from the top peak. So I can take some profit from the USD Swiss franc. So I'm just taking all the profit. So what do you have to practice? That is to see the twin tower on the key level, and there is only two key level, that is 70 and 30. If you see twin tower formed on 70, then it indicates a sell momentum, and if you see twin tower on 30 level, then it indicates the buying momentum. So use the Swiss franc, still floating loss, and Aussie USD also floating loss, and as you see Aussie USD going against our buy entries, and it's just coming to the latest it's just coming to the previous price swing level. So So let's see USD Swiss franc. So after some time, USD Swiss franc coming down from the entry level, the sell entry. So it's going down nicely. So after having patience and time, it's all the entries are taken now in profit from the USD Swiss franc. So I'm just booking all the profit from Swiss franc. So in forex trading, you must have to be patient. You have to analyze market. You have to wait. You don't need to be greedy, and you have to manage your risk. So I'm just booking all the Swiss franc profit. So now, as you see, Aussie USD making a downswing that is finally coming towards the buy entry position. And here is our profit. So I'm collecting profit from Aussie USD. This video is streaming rapidly because a long session had been taken place. To make this video not too much lengthy, I have to speed up my video during when I edit the video. So here you see the twin tower for gold. As you know, I'm now looking for some other entries, other trading opportunity. So I'm taking buy entries for gold as I see the twin tower on 30 level, and at the same time I also see the blue, the exponential 200 moving average on second window. That is the blue line. Blue cross the twin tower, and blue reach at level 30. So it's the buy indication. So I'm just adding entries for gold, and I have already reached to the $1,600. As you know, my target is $200. So still I'm adding position on gold to make it 2,000. So from this level, I just taken some buy entries. As you see, twin tower form on 30 level, and at the same time blue cross the twin tower on level 30, and 30 is the oversold area, so you can buy from that level. So I'm expecting gold must going upwards, so I've taken buy entries, and still I'm adding buy entries because price coming down. If you see price coming against your entry, then you can simply add new position on new height. So here's a comment. Couldn't understand too much, sir. Please explain how to use twin tower. This type of comment I have received a lot because most of my viewers don't understand the twin tower. I think this is a very promising and easy strategy. So you just have to keep watching the video content about twin tower, with concentration, and you must understand the whole theorem on twin tower. I have made a few more videos and already published on this channel, so you better watching that content to learn the whole method. So as I seen that the price making downswing and it's come down, so I'm just adding buy entries for gold. So trading is easy, that is the tagline from my channel. So you don't have to think complicated way. Just making easy video. You can ask me any question. And my previous video have shown you how to take entries and exits for twin tower strategy. And still I'm making this content to show you how to trade with twin tower strategy most decent way. And on the main chart you see there is no candlesticks, there is a line chart, and there are also present two moving averages, that is blue and violet. Blue represent the 200 EMA, that is the long-term trend, and violet represent the 20 EMA, that is the exponential moving average applied to close, and that is the short-term trend indicator. And on the second window, that is the RSI 7 period, and here we take an envelope and force index, and also taken moving average, that is 200 exponential, and signal coming from the second window where you see the twin tower, and the twin tower means orange and pink, making peak on 30 or 70 level at a time. So here again the indicators 7 RSI 7, 70, 30 and 50 period, background color black, and then the envelope was 0.008, and the force index 30 period, and the 200 exponential moving average. So after adding position, price is now hitting upwards, and I'm expecting price must going upside from this level. And after adding gold position, I'm waiting to see price coming upward. And if you see the previous price swing, the price chart, you must see that the key levels, it is better to see the previous level because you have to see the key levels from the past scenario where you can see the supply and demand zone. And still I'm on floating loss, and I'm waiting to see price hitting upward. This is gold M1 chart, and if I zoom, chart looks like this, and now it's zoom 0. So trading with twin tower strategy, you better keep chart on zoom 0 So after waiting a lot, price is now heading upward. And another thing I can explain here, you see to our left leg. If you see the left leg, left peak, then you can see the height that win the previous peak here. So I can draw a parallel line, so I can expect price should come in to this pink line. So I'm expecting this level will be the take profit area. As you know, the 1% traders never take stop loss or never take profit. I just manually manage this SL and TP. So here is our profit, and now price making upswing. I'm just waiting to see price moving upward. So here you see the orange and pink making 20-hour on that level, and blue also crossed the 20-hour on 30 level. So now I'm waiting to see price coming towards the pink line. So I'm just waiting to see price coming upward. And some other thing I want to share you. Any trading session, you have to look for the best volatile time, and that period is the London session and also the New York session. And when London and New York twisting each other, that time also the highly volatile session. And you have to trade after getting all the confirmation. So price now hitting upward. So what is the trading confirmation? Here you see price hitting upward nicely. So I'm just waiting to see it's reaching to that 2000, and right at this moment price already reached to that 2000. So it's a great achievement that I have made 1000 to 2000. So I complete 100% right now, and I'm just taking profit. So what I'm talking about that you have to analyze market, most of the confluence, and the confluence is to see the 20 on key level, and also the key level, those key level also compiled with other key indications, that is the supply or demand zone, and the support and resistance. As you know, support, resistance, and supply demand are not the same thing, and you have to see the key levels on supply and demand zone, and the twin tower zone is the same. And at the same time, you have to see other things like divergence. You have to see the trend line breakout. So all the possibilities you have to analyze, then you can take a most confident trade on a trading session. So here I'm taking all the profit. So from gold, I'm just taking profit. And you have to be patient, keep patience on your trading session, and you have to you have to be strong psychologically. And if you see your trading going against you, you just have to wait with proper risk management, because price should coming towards your price prediction. So all the profit have been booked, and now account raised to the $2,000. This is 2,045. So that's it. But it's still price not coming towards the pink level. That is the TP area. But as we reach at 2,000, so I'm just taking all the profit. But if you wait, you can see that the price coming towards the pink level as we predicted. So you see how the price touching our profit area. So that is the way of 1% trading. The only 1% traders thinks like that. So feel lucky if you see this channel newly. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. See you.